top of Alicia Beach. One of those super tranquilo days today. Really calm on the Atlantic. And this is the Waterfront restaurant back there. I'm going to take you for a walk into it. I'm going to go for a morning coffee. This place isn't open yet. Thanks to the commenter that said, hey, I know you're trying to be covert with your camera and stuff, but you really should be a lot steadier with your hand. Get a gimbal or something, I don't know. No, there's no gimbals on the beach. Plus, when you're using the gimbal, everyone knows. And I want to do this covertly, as far as I don't want to put people on video that don't want to be on video, but at the same time, I want to be able to record naturally without people getting the idea. But you know what? I'm holding this up like my belly button, portrait style. And then when I'm walking down the beach, I kind of just hold it on my side like this. Hola, amigo. Buen día. My Spanish is not, it's coming along really slow. Bank machines here are touchy. They run out of money quickly, especially in the high season, which it's not now. June's kind of a low season. So for the last few days, I've been trying to, my bank put the garage door down on their machine. It wouldn't even accept my card the other day, forget not play games. So that's weird. This is a place you come take pictures. It's right at the end of the road, off of downtown. And this is how we do coffee at Waterfront. I hope they're open. I hope they got coffee, maybe breakfast. Let's check this out. Sit anywhere? Can I sit anywhere? Yeah, yes. Nobody speaks English. My Spanish is horrible. Look at this. What the hell? Oh my. This is the first restaurant I came to when I was first. Like the day after I landed here. Almost 8 months ago. I can't believe I'm saying that. Look at this. Oh, it's got a little deck over here. Huh. What the hell? Must be just for pictures, I guess. No fishy. Okay, and one of the first days I was here, the first time I came down to Alicia Beach, Playa Alicia, I was down here. Okay, away from everyone, down by that rock, which casts a nice shadow in the later hours, so you can get out of the sun. And I said, I'm going to wake up here every morning. Every morning I'm going to walk down here and wake up stretching on my blanket on the beach. Well, I've just been taking it for granted rather than stretching out on the beach, waking up down here. But great idea. Super chill. See? Todo está bien. Okay, let's get some coffee. Oh, what is this little? Trying to get my shade somewhere over here. I guess this will do. There's a big chair. Gonna be another hot one. This guy's a regular on the beach. Bon dia. Ah, café.
Café.
Gracias. Mucho.
Café, sir?
Yeah, no, cream and sugar, please. Leche, sugar.
Ok. Si tú tomas el desayuno, puedes tener café gratis aquí con autoservicio.
Prefer a guest? No, I don't stay here. I'm not. Yeah. Oh, self-service, right? ¿Cuánto pesa? ¿Cuánto pesa en breakfast? How much?
No, es...
Ah,
Si no, yo te busco el café con leche allá.
okay, I'll have this. It goes with
Gringo?
cafe?
Sí.
Yeah, perfect.
El gringo.
You bring it in?
You pay for the coffee.
I don't know. Hola. Come here. I don't know, what's this self-service breakfast nonsense? Homie don't play self-service breakfast. Oh, I'll just go up and get it myself? Ah, I see. Self-service coffee. Ah. You gotta have a big cup. Is this how you play this game? Okay, well, I'm learning something at the Waterfront, or what's the place called? Yeah, Waterfront. Dominican coffee is freaking delicious. Oh, morning coffee and tea station, self-serving free. Huh. With breakfast. Well, I guess I'm gonna try the gringo. For 250 pesos. With free coffee. Oh, I pay $100 for my coffee in the morning normally anyway if I have to. People must think I'm crazy. I'm sitting here talking to myself at the fucking coffee station. Having a hard time even opening the sugar. Well, I feel mentally challenged this morning. What's up? Didn't even drink last night. Haven't drank in days. Weird. Maybe I'm just stupid. Good interview with Shandor last night. Oh, this is for the Dominican channel, so we won't talk about that. I've been crossing it up a little bit, even though my website gives me hell for it. Ooh, don't let the sweat drip into the coffee. Yeah, when it's this hot, you can't lean over your own coffee because... Oh, unless you like salt in your coffee. What's this? Leche? Ah, leche. I don't trust this thing to stay on. There we go. Sheesh. Come on. There we go. You can do it. You want some coffee with your leche? Gringo? Oh, this is going to be beautiful. This won't suck at all. Oh, I knew it. It's gorgeous. And since I've been messing around with machines today, let's see if this one will cooperate today. Yesterday it did not want to. Receipts here left over, stuck in the machine still. Let's see if this bad boy. No.
Hey, no se olvide de su tarjeta.
No sobera.
Gracias por utilizarla.
Es no. No bueno. No servirá. Hola, amigo. Buen día. Buen día. ¿Cómo estás? No, no. Cafe. Oh, I want a smoothie too. Yeah. So much for trying to get money. Who needs money? When you get a body like this. Come on, man. You know what this thing goes for down here? Almost nothing. Well, nothing. Completely nothing. You got your soy rag going on because it's already that time of the day. And this is the world famous Waterfront. Can I take a picture of this while I'm doing the camera? Oh, good. That'll be a thumbnail. Although I'll have to crop it better. You can see my big fat digits in the background too. Oops. Did I stop recording? No. Okay, good. So here's the always mimosa time. Jason Mimosa? I think I'll just sit here and take it all in. Why not? Hello. Hola. Buenos dias from the North Shore, Dominican Republic, beautiful Sosua. The Waterfront Playa Alicia. Playa Alicia, again, more from Waterfront Playa Alicia. Oh man, Tranquility, tranquilo. But first, hola, bonito, mucho bonito. Café. Gracias, mucho.
¿Café quieres?
Yeah, no, cream and sugar, please. Leche, sugar.
Ok. Si tú tomas el desayuno, puedes tener café gratis aquí con autoservicio.
Free for a guest? No, I don't stay here. I'm not. Yeah. Oh, self-service, right? ¿Cuánto pesa? ¿Cuánto pesa en breakfast? How much?
No, es...
Ah,
Si no, yo te busco el café con leche allá.
okay, I'll have this. The Cocoa
¿Gringo?
Cafe?
Sí,
Yeah, perfect.
el gringo.
You bring it in?
You veo por the coffee.
I don't know. Hola. Come here. I don't know, what's this self-service breakfast nonsense? Homie don't play self-service breakfast. Oh, I'll just go up and get it myself? Ah, I see. Self-service coffee. Ah. You gotta have a big cup. Is this how you play this game? Okay, well, I'm learning something at the Waterfront, or what's the place called? Yeah, Waterfront. Dominican coffee is freaking delicious. Oh, morning coffee and tea station, self-serving free. Huh. With breakfast. Well, I guess I'm gonna try the gringo. For 250 pesos. With free coffee. Oh, I pay $100 for my coffee in the morning normally anyway if I have two. People must think I'm crazy. I'm sitting here talking to myself at the fucking coffee station. Having a hard time even opening the sugar. Well, I feel mentally challenged this morning. What's up? Didn't even drink last night. Haven't drank in days. Weird. Maybe I'm just stupid. Good interview with Shandor last night. Oh, this is for the Dominican channel, so we won't talk about that. I've been crossing it up a little bit, even though my website gives me hell for it. Ooh, don't let the sweat drip into the coffee. it's this hot you can't lean over your own coffee because, well, unless you like salty, salt in your coffee. What's this? Leche? Ah, leche. I don't trust this thing to stay on. There we go. Shush. Come on. There we go. You can do it. You want some coffee with your leche, gringo? Oh, this is going to be beautiful. This won't suck at all. Oh, I knew it. It's gorgeous. And since I've been messing around with machines today, let's see if this one will cooperate today. Yesterday it did not want to. Couple receipts here left over. Stuck in the machine still. Let's see if this bad boy. No,
Hey, no se olvide de su tarjeta.
no sobera.
Gracias por utilizarla.
Es no bueno. No servirá. Hola, amigo. Buen día. Buen día. Buenos días. No, café. Oh, I want a smoothie too. So much for trying to get money. Who needs money? When you get a body like this. Come on, man. You know what this thing goes for down here? Almost nothing. Well, nothing. Completely nothing. You got your soy rag going on because it's already that time of the day. And this is the world famous Waterfront. Can I take a picture of this while I'm doing the camera? Oh, good. That'll be a thumbnail. Although I have to crop it better. You can see my big fat digits in the background too. Oops. Did I stop recording? No. Okay, good. So here's the always mimosa time. Jason Mimosa? I think I can just sit here and take it all in. Why not? Hello. Hola. Buenos dias from the North Shore of Dominican Republic, beautiful Sosua. The Waterfront Playa Alicia. What, bird? What are you doing? Bird. Oh, okay. We good. Alright, so that's that. Breakfast at Waterfront. I'm gonna see if I can get my my knapsack looked after. What do you call it in Spanish? Can't remember. See if I can leave it here for 10 minutes. 10 minutos. And then I gotta take you on a little walk from that point to that point on Alicia Beach. What do you think? Playa Alicia. Hola. Oh, that coffee's delicious. Yum. Now that's good to the last drop. I had 3 today. Mucho bueno. Okay. Let's see if my girl's here on the way out. Oh. Mucho calor. Caliente, mucho caliente. Gracias. Can I leave this here? 10 minutos? I'm gonna walk the beach. I'll come back for this. Can I leave it here?
Ay,
No.
A ver, la chica de la recepción.
No, no.
¿Qué vio?
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Well, this is the waterfront. And it's beautiful. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. Mucho bueno. Hola amigo, buen día.
Nosotros estamos en el batey ahora mismo. En un ratito estamos para allá.
Caliente, es correcto. Whoa. Whoa. Stay there. It's a little breezy all of a sudden. Okay, we got this, I got that. This is the other thing. Okay, so. Let's charge the tax here. Gracias. Keeping my receipts just because. Keep track of the places my money goes to and who's taking care of the taxes, which is supposed to include a tip, 10%. And some sort of, I don't know, sales tax or tourist tax or something like that. A lot of the smaller locations don't charge it. But the chains and the established restaurants and whatnot seem to. I think it's 28%. And supposed to be a tip. And the rest is some sort of tax. Lots of the mom and pop shops don't charge it though. Funnel. There's too many Jimmys down here, so I don't introduce myself as a fan, but I probably should start because there's so many Jimmys. A little spa over here. That's for you. Casa, hotel, resort, anything. Here's for you. Ah, 100 pesos. See? Okay. Alicia Beach, here we come. And then I've got lunch at Casa Linda, one of my favorite builders. Hopefully they still have some lots left. And on this channel, if you're watching on Buying Dominican Republic, it seems to be getting a lot of traffic. The video I uploaded of the Capri. So, and I think I'm almost up to 30 subs now. And approaching 9,000 views. Not bad for a few months. Not even a few months old. That channel's not even 90 days old, I don't think. Especially if you go by my first upload. Okay, so that's the top of Alicia Beach. Hola, amigo. ¿Qué pasa? I'm good, man. Good to see you. All right, well, it's a struggle session with my phone and my limited memory, since I'm full at 256K. Gig. 256 gigs full. And do you think it's warm out here, or am I just in a full body sweat for nothing? I'm in the shade. Okay, so this is the end of the beach, where I come to get out of the sun in the afternoon. Playa Alicia. And now I've got multiple meetings, including lunch at Casa Linda, where I'm going to have my shrimp and salmon pasta for 400 pesos. I may have already mentioned this, but I don't know exactly what was recorded and what wasn't. So I'm repeating myself. Like a dementia patient. Patient? Okay, so this is it. Hola. Buenos dias. It's a good day in the North Shore of Dominican Republic on the Atlantic Ocean in the town of Sosua on Playa Alicia, where it is the beginning of the slow season. You'll see some more opportunity in rentals, less tourism. Sometimes you get better prices here and there because it's a slow time. It's a slow time now until September, October, and then we're cool high season right through the winter, because none of you people in North America want to come down here in the summer when you're up at your own cottage and enjoying the beautiful weather that mostly encompasses North America for June, July, August, September. Down here it is hot and beautiful, and the Atlantic Ocean feels more like a bathtub. And in most places, it's hard to find a cold shower. In fact, the water systems are above ground here, so the water's pretty warm. And when it's this warm, like the pipes and your coffee table and the couch and everything that you touch is actually got a warm feel to it because it's so warm everywhere. Stuff holds its heat. It doesn't cool down in the evening. You know, unless you think 73, 74 degrees is cool. It's not actually cool enough to cool anything down. So you'll find that it's pretty warm starting in the morning, and today it's about, I don't know, about 10:30, 10:40 right now. Oh my gosh, my bride is here. Perfect. Might as well get married while I'm here. I wonder if he'll mind. I mean the groom. What was I saying? That doesn't matter. I don't have the time to walk the whole beach now, since I got some memory issues. I got to go up, meet with an agent, and then got my lunch date at Casa Linda, which I'm looking forward to. Even though I had a beautiful breakfast here at Waterfront. Who'd want to get married on the beach? Come on. Oh, you're local? Congratulations. Bonito. Yeah, you're welcome. Nada. Okay. That's how you do a wedding on a beach, I guess. I don't like taking videos of people unless they sign the release. Voila. Okay. Walking in shoes down the beach sucks, and boy, is it hot. It's so hot that you really appreciate the shade when you find it. A little piece of it right here. Okay, so I'm still recording. Mucho bueno. There you go. Correct. Congratulations to the happy couple. Awesome. Come to Playa Alicia. Come to Sosua. We'll hook you up. Let's see if I can find my guy for my bag. And then I gotta jump on the bike and head back. Ah. Mucho calor. Ay, ay, ay. Look at my back still hurt.